Let's diagnose why your Ring camera might not be powering up. The most common reasons are dead or depleted battery. The most common reasons are connectivity issues such as weak Wi-Fi. The most common reasons are hardware faults including water damage or overheating. The most common reasons are software glitches, usually from outdated firmware. We'll cover troubleshooting these issues one by one in the next sections. First, if it's a battery-powered Ring camera, ensure the battery is fully charged. Ring camera batteries typically last 6 to 12 months depending on usage. Use the provided USB cable or Ring charger. For wired cameras, check the power adapter and wiring for any loose connections or damage. A faulty adapter can prevent the camera from turning on. If you suspect a battery issue in cold climates, especially for 2023 to 2024 models, check for a potential recall and request a free replacement from Ring. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection can prevent your Ring camera from powering on correctly. The camera needs a stable connection to communicate with the Ring app and function properly. First, restart the camera by holding the reset button for 20 seconds. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the connection. Next, repair the camera through the Ring app. Open the app, go to Device Settings, and follow the pairing instructions to establish a fresh connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is functioning correctly. Check that it's powered on, cables are secure, and there are no outages in your area. Ensure the Ring camera is within a reasonable range of the router. Wi-Fi signals weaken over distance, so place the camera closer if possible. If the signal remains weak, consider using a Wi-Fi extender. This device amplifies your router's signal, extending coverage to areas where your camera is located. A soft reset can often resolve minor software glitches. Locate the reset button on your Ring camera. Consult your device's manual if needed. Press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds. After the reset, check for firmware updates in the Ring app or on the Ring website. Outdated firmware can cause boot-up problems. Keeping your firmware up to date ensures optimal performance and security. Extreme temperatures and moisture can damage your Ring camera. If your camera has been exposed to extreme temperatures, it may overheat and fail to turn on. Moisture exposure leads to water ingress, damaging internal components. Inspect your camera for signs of overheating, such as discoloration or water ingress like condensation inside. Clean the camera gently with a soft, dry cloth to remove dust or moisture. Ensure the camera is properly weatherproofed, especially for outdoor models exposed to elements. For flooded cameras, as seen during Hurricane Zeta in 2025, a factory reset and battery replacement may be needed. However, be cautious with severe damage and consider professional help to avoid further issues. Ring has offered refunds in the past for cameras affected by hardware faults like these. In rare cases, a recent firmware update might cause your Ring camera to not turn on. If you suspect this and are technically savvy, consider downgrading to a previous firmware version through the Ring developer portal. Sometimes, a recent firmware update can introduce bugs that prevent the camera from starting up properly. This advanced fix requires technical knowledge and access to the Ring developer portal, where you can download older firmware versions. To perform a rollback, visit the developer portal, download the previous firmware version compatible with your camera model, and carefully install it following Ring's instructions. As seen in January 2026, users like Alex Rivera from TechCrunch successfully restored functionality by rolling back firmware after a problematic update caused boot loops in Ring indoor cams. Remember, firmware rollback carries risks and may void warranties. Always back up your camera's settings and consult Ring support if unsure. Preventing issues with your Ring camera is better than fixing them later. Focus on these best practices to keep your device running smoothly. Keep your Ring camera clean and protected from extreme weather. Regular cleaning prevents dust buildup, and weather protection avoids moisture damage. Regularly check and update the firmware through the Ring app. This ensures your camera has the latest fixes and features. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection by placing your camera close to your router and avoiding interference. Avoid user errors such as improper charging. Always use the correct charger and follow charging guidelines. Experts like PCMag's Tim Gideon estimate that 40% of Ring camera failures are user-related, so following these practices can prevent most issues. If you've tried all these steps and your Ring camera still won't turn on, it's time to contact Ring support. They can provide further assistance and determine if a hardware replacement is necessary. Have your device model and purchase date ready when you contact them. As of 2026, Ring's support satisfaction scores are around 4.25, so expect helpful service. This completes our troubleshooting guide for Ring camera issues.